Hey everybody, Jem Schofield here with the C47 and another episode of Gearbox. Last episode of the week. So a couple of things. I have a shoot coming up next week for a little short film project I'm going to be doing with Skip Sudduth and a group of guys that I work with on a regular basis. I'm excited about that. And we are basically going to trek upstate New York for a couple of days and shoot some stuff. So that's going to be fun. 2 5D Mark IIs. A bunch of lighting, a bunch of audio, and I think that's going to be a good project to do. And still a lot of activity on the lens front, a lot of questions, a lot of comments and things like that. One of the things that I want to stress here is that while I'm recommending that you get 1 or 2 good zoom lenses for your DSLR camera, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of interviews and stuff, that if you can't afford or you can't go the route of a matching lens set of something like ZEISS ZEs or ZEISS ZF lenses, then definitely start searching for a series of used prime lenses that you can get. I've said it before, I'll say it again, over and over again. You can spend $100, $150, you can spend $50, you can spend $500, you can spend $1,000 on great old used glass. This little E-series lens from Nikon is a $100 lens, and you can pick it up because it happens to be one of those lenses that people may not be looking for all the time. It's an f1.8, so it's a fast lens. You can pick up old 50mm 1.4 lenses very, very easily. Same with 28mm. I think that if you're looking for focal lengths, that you definitely want to look at something, especially for a full frame sensor like the 5D Mark II, at like a 28, a 50, and an 85 as your starter focal lengths. Try to get them as fast as possible. f1.4 to 2, somewhere in that range is definitely ideal. Will give you a lot of options to be able to shoot at lower ISOs under low light conditions, and you can open that lens up and take advantage of what these sensors can give you. If you're dealing with a crop factor, one of the APS-C sensors where you've got that 1.6x crop factor in the mix, then take a look at some, like a 21mm lens. There are some 19mm lenses you can find out there, old ones. A lot of stuff that may not seem obvious. Vivitar made some great glass that you can buy inexpensively. There's some sort of quote-unquote off-brands. I tend to lean towards the Nikon or Nikkor lines of lenses, and also, as you probably know if you've been watching Gearbox for a while, the Olympus OM Zuiko lenses. If you can find used Olympus Zuiko OM lenses, both zoom and especially prime lenses, they're amazing. I have this 55mm 1.2 lens, incredibly fast, incredibly small, and color rendering wise it doesn't match any of my other lenses, but if that's the one lens I'm putting on my camera, I can get amazing results. Very windy here right now, so hopefully the little softy down here is going to do its job on the shotgun mic. I'm going to end off the week, new stuff next week, and hopefully some new gear. And I'll see you guys next time on Gearbox.